Okay, we are back with this tractor. We're about ready to finish it up. Just an update. We got oil change, the points have been cleaned, new spark plugs, fixed the kill wire for the switch. Still gotta put a weld around here and here, but I'll do that when we get it running. But the fuel bowl's clean, the gas tank was clean. So we're about ready to fire this thing up and see if it'll run. Let me put some gas in it and we'll be right back. Okay, we got gas put in her. It's not leaking anywhere, so that's a good sign. Let's see if it'll fire it up. This will probably be the first time it's ran in a couple of years. So let's see. I don't foresee any reason why it won't start. And let's see, here we go. Okay, all, we are done with this tractor, so hopefully we can get it back to the owner. Everything's fine on it, runs great. They should be happy. Should put it right back to work. That's their plan for it. I don't know what their plan is, but it's a good running tractor and it does everything it's supposed to. And we're going to get back on this big guy here as soon as the parts get here, which hopefully will be next week. And we'll do a video of us getting it started for the first time as well. Also, as we go to put it back together too. So stay tuned and keep checking back.